Hello, I'm Allison from the Signify US Channel Marketing Team, introducing our ready-to-go products. The vast majority of our Philips T8 or TLED lamp portfolio is DLC listed and UL certified. We cover all TLED types as classified by UL. First, we have Type A TLEDs, which work with existing ballasts. We call these Instant Fit. Instant Fit lamps are ideal for a fast return on investment as the installation is simple plug and play. Simply pull out the old fluorescent and put in the new TLED and instantly begin saving energy. Secondly, we have the Type B lamps, or ballast bypass lamps, which work without a ballast directly wired to the line voltage. These are called mains fit. Mains fit lamps are great for customers looking for long-term simplicity. This is due to the removal of the ballast from the system. With one less component to consider, future maintenance is a breeze. Thirdly, we have Type A and B lamps, which work either with a ballast or can work as a ballast bypass lamp simply by rewiring the fixture. We call these lamps FlexFit due to their installation flexibility. FlexFit lamps help eliminate installation issues in the field. First, the customer can install plug and play. If, however, there is a problem with the ballast, then the fixture can be rewired immediately using the same lamp. Installation flexibility is the primary reason for using this lamp. Finally, to create a Type C system, we use the same Instant Fit lamp as above, but pair it with one of our exclusive TLED drivers. The Type C system offers the same benefits as Type A, but with 5 to 10% more efficiency. In summary, Signify offers a complete range of TLEDs covering all of the UL specified types. Instant Fit for Type A lamps, Mains Fit for Type B, Flex Fit for hybrid Type A and B, and a unique Type C system utilizing our Instant Fit lamps and exclusive drivers. To learn more about Philips energy-saving LED lamp solutions, visit philips.com/LED lamps.